Sup guys, welcome to another video. And as you see, there's a lot of chests here to open. There's 3, gonna be 4 with the when I get to 10. And that's basically it. I'm going to be attacking. There's a new battle ram thing here. Hold on, new battle ram thing here. And there's a skeleton army, but I'm not gonna buy that. And my gold is 4,000. And let's go.
Let's go!
Does it put it? Oh dang! Ah, dang it! Oh, why can't I get up here? I'm reckless. You bow down to me. Smash my head. Stuff on that key. No, I would not waste it. And if you did, you're stupid. Oh, I forgot I'm recording. Alright, I gotta commentate. So I actually think I might lose this, honestly, to be honest. Hopefully this wizard can take this tower out nice. Don't worry about it, I'm in the middle of a video. And we're gonna take out this, hopefully. No, it's gonna take out our tower. But we're gonna get some good hits off. Oh, never mind. Hopefully, yeah, he's gonna place a wizard. Or not. Okay, yeah, we're gonna get some good hits off. Let's go. We might take down the tower. Okay, we took the tower. It's ours. We push through this. Look at there.
What's a good deck?
I don't know. What is a good deck? You should be asking that for yourself. I don't know. There's multiple decks.
Because the 3...
I don't know, Danny. I don't know. I'm in the middle of a video, dang. I'm annoying sometimes. Just want to know everything, don't ya? Okay. Wizard. My wizard's gonna be butthurt. Come on, just take a little bit of it. What? Why'd he do that? That was weird. I don't know why he did that. That was really weird. Hopefully my barbarian got some good. And we got the 2. So we're gonna get to open these 4 chests. Sweet. And what kind of chest do we get? Oh, I forgot. Let's open up a legendary or something, but boom, boom. Okay, so we have 3 chests. We're gonna start off with the free chests. We got 63 gold, 4 fire spirits, and 5 archers. This is horrible. I need a wizard. Sorry for the lag. My phone is trolling. And barbarians. Happy about that because I request so much barbarians. Not even funny.
Alright, so what are we doing?
Alright. 152 gold. Sweet.
You need to get like one epic.
One Spirit Goblin, 10 Knights, 15 Commons, and
2 rares. Okay.
3 Furnaces. And the big chest. The beast. When I got a legendary from. 434 gold.
Oh, that means you're gonna get something
2
good.
gold. 2 rockets. 20. Yes, I'm happy about that. And wizard. Oh, I need wizards.
See, wait, how much gold he had?
434.
434. If he had over 464, then you would have guaranteed something
That's
good
your
at the chest.
arena.
No, that's your arena. I'm in the Royal Arena.
Oh.
So if you would got like a super magical chest,
Okay,
then you need to get something around like 600
Alright, cool.
coins.
So I have 5,000 coins, not what I really thought. So,
Can you build me a deck?
no, I'm in the middle of a stream. I mean, video. Come on.
There's a dollar.
Huh? Alright, cool.
The finale.
What'd he say?
He's trying to build me I'm trying to get what's it called? A witch deck. I want a witch deck.
You don't even have a witch.
Yes, I do. Because it was in the shop, so I bought it for 1,000.
Stupid. Don't take the dollar.
Yeah. It's 204.
Knock on to some. Get it. And I didn't even talk to that police. But I'm happy. Sorry for not commentating. It's like my second video. I need to work on it. And I can actually get another crown chest, but I'm going to save that for the next video. And I'm usually going to make my videos 10 minutes long because my last one was 10 minutes. So, what I can do is maybe I'm going to upgrade these archers.
Try to do a witch deck.
I
I have good cards. I just pulled.
54. Sweet. Level 9 archers.
Guess what I pulled today?
What?
I pulled a rocket.
That's a poop card.
It's a level 10 rocket.
Alright. These are all the cards I
You want
have.
some soda?
I already had some. These are all the cards. Yeah, I have. If you have any deck requests or like something like that, tell me. And I'm gonna see if anyone wants to. Actually, no. I'm gonna lose or win this. I don't really care what I do because it's only 10 gems. Like, not even that much. I'm missing level 8. Gonna be nice. Good luck. Sting face. So he seems very nice. I'm gonna end this Awesome. Gonna put that good. You bow down to me. Asking. Ooh. Yeah, that tower's definitely taking out. And I keep on forgetting. So right now we might get the 3 crown because he, I guess, just gave up because we're so good. Let's put a rage on it. Yep. And we got the 3 crown. Good game to you. Sad face to get him a little mad. And sweet. So thank you for this video. And tell me if you want the music on or off. And I was thinking that would work. So this is the music on, off, and this is the music on. And thank you. Goodbye.